ito yung first property na venue. Ayan. So, 2 car parks and meron tayong driver's quarter. So, tour ko muna kayo sa side easement. So, this is the maid's quarter, the daily kitchen. Ayan, and leading to the main kitchen. May back easement din siya. At ito yung sa loob. Hindi ko na kayo pinasok sa main door. Ayan yung loob. So, it's just a very quick tour. So, may ground floor bedroom. Ayun sa Dex, kinakausap yung client. So, this is the ground floor bedroom. Ang maganda dito, connected to sa, powder room. So, this can be your guest room. It's not just a powder room, pero another toilet and bath. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda siya. And high ceiling, look. Wait, look, high ceiling. It's nice. So there are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms dito on the second floor. And 1 guest room, bedroom sa ground floor. Hindi ko napakita yung other bedrooms. Ito na napapakita ko. The master's bedroom. Ayan. Wow. And you will have your bathtub. Yun lang.